In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate text in Midjourney Advanced Tutorial. We'll walk through getting to the Midjourney site, crafting a prompt that encourages clear lettering, and submitting it so you can see results fast. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. This is the quickest way to reach the official Midjourney site without memorizing a URL. In the search bar, type the word Midjourney. You should see the official site near the top of the results. Click the Midjourney website result to proceed. If you're taken to an Explore page or a prompt area, that's perfect. Depending on your setup, you may be asked to sign in before you can generate images. That's normal. And once you're in, you'll see a place to enter your prompt. Now it's time to compose the prompt. Type the following exactly, including the quotation marks. Golden Phoenix business card. R169 v6.0. Here's what each piece does. The phrase in quotes tells Midjourney to focus on rendering those exact words as visible text in the image. Quotation marks are important because they signal that the phrase should appear as lettering, not just as a theme. Adding business cards sets the context, guiding layout, proportions, and design elements toward a compact, typographic composition. The flag 16:9 sets a wide aspect ratio, which gives your text more horizontal room and helps with legibility. Finally, v6.0 chooses the model version, which affects style and text handling. Using a recent version helps with sharper, more readable characters. Before you submit, check spacing and spelling inside the quotes. Short, simple phrases are easier for the model to render cleanly. If you want more emphasis on clarity, keep the quoted phrase concise and avoid punctuation that might be visually confusing. When you're happy with the prompt, click Submit. Midjourney will process the prompt and return a set of variations. Give the images a moment to resolve. You'll see the text form as the render completes. At this stage, evaluate the results for legibility, spacing, and overall balance. If the letters look warped or crowded, consider revising the prompt by simplifying the quoted phrase or sticking with the 16:9 aspect ratio for more breathing room. If the theme looks right but the text is faint, try keeping the quoted phrase at the beginning of the prompt so the model prioritizes it. That's the full flow. Reach the site through Google, enter a well-structured prompt with quotes, aspect ratio, and version, then submit and assess your results.